demonstrate the new Outcome Assessments module, which has been added to WebExercises. You will see questionnaires has been added to the left-hand column. If you click on that, it will display the 4 questionnaires which are available. These are the neck and back, Bournemouth, PAR-Q, and SF-36. You can assign these to your patient digitally for them to complete online or through the patient mobile app. To assign a document, simply go to the RX Management page, select the patient you would like to send the questionnaire to, and you will see a new section. Simply click in the field, select the questionnaire you would like. If you would like the patient to complete the questionnaire prior to accessing their exercise program, you would click Required. If you would like to send a separate email notice that they do have a questionnaire complete, you would click this. You simply then assign new questionnaire to the patient. Once the patient receives the email or notification that they have a questionnaire ready, they will navigate to either the login page or the mobile app. Once they log in, they'll see their exercise program if the questionnaire was not required. However, if the questionnaire was required, the questionnaires page will display. They will then view the doc and answer the questions accordingly about their pain level and level of activity. They can place any comments, they put their name in, and then digitally sign the questionnaire, select the date, and now submit. Once the patient has submitted the required document, you will notice on the WebExercises menu on the left, you have a notification in green that a document is ready to be reviewed. Clicking on that page, you will see now completed documents. It's highlighted in green for when it was completed and also scored. I can view this and also print for my records.